It's a My Little Pony kind of party. Okay, guys, I'm taking the shoelaces out of the shoes. I got these shoes from eBay for about $12.99. And I stuffed them with the package that they came in. And here I am right now, putting the glue on there. I'm using Mod Podge.
Cut that chick, 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 cut that chick. I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my ends, I need my chick, I need my chick.
Now I'm about to put the glitter on there. I got this glitter off of eBay. I think it's called like Hollow Purple or something. It's really pretty.
That chick, cut 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 that chick. I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my ends, I need my chick, I need my chick. Cut that chick, 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 cut that chick. I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my chick, I need my ends.
Sorry, I'm out of the camera right now, but it'll get better. Hold on.
Sleeping back to back, we knew this thing wasn't built to last. Yeah, good on paper, picture perfect. Chase the high too far too fast. Picket white fence, but we painted black. Ooh, and I wish you would hurt me harder than I hurt you.
I let them dry for about 2 hours, and I'm about to do my second coat.
Wish you would hurt me harder than I hurt you. And I wish you wouldn't wait for me, but you always do. I've been hoping somebody loves you in the ways I couldn't. Somebody taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone you don't have to change. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go.
I'm sealing them with some hairspray. You can use the paint sealer or something, but I'm sealing them with hairspray. It's the same effect. I'm gluing Twilight Sparkle to the shoe, and then I'll show you guys the finished look.
Seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see your.
Here's the finished look, and I added a piece of diamond wrap on the side, and it made it really cute. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.
I'm not fading, I'm not.